going to be using the least common multiple to solve problems. So this one says Jonah made 2 types of cakes, chocolate and vanilla. He cut all the chocolate cakes into 4 slices and all the vanilla cakes into 6 slices. If Jonah ended up with the same total of slices of each type of cake, what is the minimum of slices of each type? Well, when I'm looking at this, minimum is my key word. Okay, minimum goes with a word like least. So I know that I'm going to be looking for LCM. So I have 4 slices and 6 slices. I'm going to set it up in the slide. 2 goes into both of those. 2 goes into 4 twice. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. There's not a number that goes into 2 and 3, so I'm done. Then I'm going to take those numbers that form that L and multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. So the LCM is 12. So the minimum number of slices of each type would be 12 slices. Carrie is packing crates that can hold 25 pairs, and Kyle is packing crates that can hold 30 pairs. If they must pack the same total number of pairs, what is the least number of pairs each must pack? So my key word here is least, and that informs me that I'm finding the LCM. So I'm going to set it up so that it's a slide, and a number that will go into 25 and 30 is 5. I'm going to divide. 5 into 25 goes 5 times. 5 into 30 goes 6 times. Cannot go any further, so I'm going to multiply going along the L. And so 5 times 5 is 25, and then I need to do 25 times 6. If I don't know what that is, I need to multiply it out, and it equals 150. So LCM equals 150. So what's the least number of pairs each must pack? 150 pairs. Hot dogs come in packs of 10. Hot dog buns come in packs of 8. What is the least number of each Liam should buy so that each hot dog has a bun with no hot dogs or buns left over? Okay, so least was my key word. I'm going to set up my slide. 2 goes into both of those. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. I cannot go any further, so I'm going to multiply on the L. 2 times 5 is 10, and then 10 times 4 is 40, so my LCM is 40. So that means he must buy 40 hot dogs and 40 hot dogs and 40 buns. Well, I need to go back and read, because next my question says, well, how many packs of hot dogs would that be? All right, well, hot dogs come in packs of 10. So how many times does 10 go into 40? It would go 4 times. So I would need 4 packs of hot dogs. And then I need to read, and it says that the hot dog buns come in packages of 8. So how many packages of 8 would I need to get 40? I would need 5. So 5 packs of buns. Here's where a common mistake has happened, is that like GCF, you just use the bottom here. And you can't do that because that's not how it worked out, okay? The LCM is 40, and then you've got to decide how many packs you would need to get up to 40. So be really careful with that. Cookies are sold in packages of 12, and cupcakes are sold in packages of 10. If the bakery sold the same number of each this morning, what is the smallest number of each type that the bakery must have sold? So my keyword is smallest. That lets me know that I'm going to be finding the LCM. All right, I'm going to do a slide, and number that will go into both of them is 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. I can't go any further. I'm going to multiply along the edge and bottom. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So my LCM is 60. And then the question asks, well, how many packages of cookies are that? Well, packages of cookies come in boxes of 12. So how many 12s? What times 12 is 60? Well, that's 5. So it's 5 packages of cookies. And then how many things of cupcakes? Well, cupcakes come in packages of 10, and I need 60. So 6 times 10 is 60. So I would have to figure that out to figure out how many packages of each were sold. Be really careful when you're figuring that out. Remember, it is not at the bottom of the slide like it was for greatest common factor. You will miss it every time if that's what you put down.